What is an ICO, IEO, STO, IDO? Are you new to the cryptocurrency space? Are you interested in investing but don't know how to begin? Do you already invest in cryptocurrencies but want to get involved with new opportunities? Let me tell you that Cryptela is an authentic crypto platform where you can get daily news of various market trends, pumps and dumps, and so on. So stay tuned to Cryptela for the future as well. Whether you are new to the space or an experienced investor, there are several different types of coins and investments available, which can make it confusing to choose where to start. If you're looking to invest, here's what you need to know about ICOs, IEOs, STOs, and IDOs and how they compare. Security Token Offering, STO. A security token offering, STO, is a sale of tokens that are backed by something other than just vaporware. Some examples of things that might be backed by STOs are tangible assets like real estate or company equity. For US-based companies selling to accredited investors, there's no need for a security token offering to comply with security laws. But if your token sale isn't limited to accredited investors, you must make sure you follow regulations for selling security tokens. Learn more about what it means to offer your cryptocurrency as a security in our piece on initial coin offerings versus security token offerings. The key difference between STOs and ICOs is that while both include sales of utility tokens, and therefore require some form of regulation, only ICOs include sales of securities. For example, tokens which represent ownership in a company. However, new offerings such as Regulation A+ change all these definitions and can mean that holding an initial coin offering does not automatically mean you are breaking any rules whatsoever. Initial Exchange Offering, IEO. An initial exchange offering, IEO, is a variation of an initial coin offering, ICO, in which a cryptocurrency exchange acts as a middleman and offers tokens to investors. The term was coined by Binance in 2018. Some say it is superior to ICOs because exchanges can better handle customer service and issue refunds. Investors benefit from higher transparency since they know that exchange-listed products are considered trustworthy. Some proponents also argue that institutional money will more readily enter crypto markets via IEOs than through regulated offerings that take place on established stock exchanges, because buying into an IEO represents a small investment with high liquidity available right away. Those institutions may be wary of investing large sums in one asset due to regulatory requirements. So, splitting those investments between many assets may be attractive. Supporters contend that IEOs have helped prevent fraud by preventing new products from going dark. Unlike other crypto fundraising mechanisms like ICOs, most Chinese platforms list token issuers' information publicly, meaning regulators could track them down if something went wrong. However, some argue that there isn't much difference between traditional IPOs and IEOs besides being based on blockchain technology. Since institutions are still hesitant about joining these markets because of their complexity and lack of clarity around future regulations at every country level might hurt pricing power for companies opting for such funding options despite their appeal, or provide support for other funding methods like private sales or airdrops. Initial Deposit Offering, IDO. An initial deposit offering, IDO, allows token holders to make a deposit of fiat or cryptocurrency in exchange for tokens. Users can purchase tokens at a discount or on sale compared to the market price. Some companies that have launched initial deposit offerings include HBZ, Fundador, and CoinThiever. The process of depositing into an IDO will vary per company. You may need to send your funds from your wallet exchange directly to their smart contract address or deposit from wallets such as Coinbase Custody or Polybius. Make sure you read any information provided by the company before making a transaction so you know what steps are required to participate and how long it'll take for your transaction to be confirmed. Please note that some IDOs do not allow for users who reside in certain countries. Before sending money, please check if your country is one of them. The same applies with regards to participating in other forms of fundraising, such as security token offerings. You need to look up whether they are allowed in your country. Because of AML requirements, most ICOs only accept people over 18 years old. All participants in initial deposit offerings must also undergo a KYC procedure, where you submit documents proving your identity, including an identity card, passport, and driver's license. Your documents must also prove your residency within certain countries or areas determined by each business conducting an initial deposit offering. Companies determining these areas will publish a list of approved countries and regions, after which no further applications from anyone living outside of these approved locations will be accepted. Initial Coin Offering, ICO. An ICO, Initial Coin Offering, is a fundraising mechanism in which new projects sell their underlying crypto tokens in exchange for Bitcoin and Ether. It's somewhat similar to an initial public offering, IPO, in which investors purchase shares of a company. ICOs are a relatively new phenomenon, but have quickly become a dominant topic of discussion within the blockchain community. Over $6.5 billion have been raised via ICOs already, surpassing VC funding and IPO financing combined. However, many view ICOs as unregulated securities that allow founders to raise unjustified amounts of capital, fueling speculation. This can lead to future price manipulation as seen in several high-profile cases, including BitConnect and Useless Ethereum Token, UET. Since most token sales occur on a cryptocurrency platform like Ethereum or NEO, it does not take long for someone to create multiple wallet addresses using one private key. Afterward, they simply write an automated smart contract that multiplies those tokens based on supply. Final thoughts. Hope you are clear with the terms. What do these stand for? All four of these are acronyms used to describe different forms of initial coin offerings. The ICO stands for Initial Coin Offering, or Token Generation Event, which means a company is offering new coins, tokens, in exchange for money. But remember, before you invest in any token or cryptocurrency, make sure you understand everything about it. Stay tuned to Cryptela for future crypto updates and subscribe to our channel so you can get all the notifications in a flash.